going on, guys? Review Trooper back with another video, and today is going to be a little bit different. So we're just going to start with the unboxing of my new MacBook Pro. So I literally only came back from picking this up, and I'm so excited that y'all are here to experience this with me. So without any further, let's jump into this. And yes, it's covered in plastic, so I get to use my knife. So I only got the 13-inch one, the standard model, because, well, I'm not made of money like most people. My channel doesn't exactly support me in the way I'd love it to. But this MacBook has been a thing I've wanted for 5 years now, and I've never had the chance to get one. And then this year I said, you know what, we go and get one. It's going to help me for YouTube and everything else. So I said, let's do it, and let's just jump into this to see what we're dealing with. Okay, so that was gorgeous. That was fantastic. Okay, so Apple have the best unboxing experiences ever because they're just so premium. So we're here, we got it. Look at this. I'm gonna try my best to not break this because I've no overhead anymore, but look at that. Got the space gray. Had to drive an hour down the road to get this in space gray, but I mean, it's all gonna be worth it. Like, so look at her, she's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, satisfying much. So I'm fairly sure you've all seen reviews on these at this stage, or if not, I don't know where you're living. 2 USB-Cs and a headphone jack. That's all we got, right? So we'll throw the big boy out of the way for a minute. We go back to the box here. We've got Apple certifications. We got our power brick, which is massive. That's so big. God damn. We've got our USB to C to C connector, and that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. So this is one box and paperwork. Unfortunately, I won't be just thrown all over the place because I just can't. I'm sorry, I can't. So let's whip this bad boy around. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, satisfying. So I gotta ask y'all something, right? So this is kind of a big deal for me, and I've always been a Windows kind of guy. So if you are Windows only and you've never used Mac OS like I haven't, I'm gonna have to go learn all this now. Tell me in the comments below what you want to see me look into for you. So this is going to be a standalone video. So like, this is just going to be the unboxing. I'm going to do a review on it when I've used it for a while, but I want to know specifically what y'all want to see me review on it, like whether it be like the camera, the mic, all that sort of crack, the butterfly switches, which I kind of dig at the minute already. I've played with so many of these, it's scary. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Oh, but before we go, still trying to reach that 100 subs before Christmas, guys. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Any help means a massive amount to me, and we'll catch you in, well, no, not really the review because it's not the same video, but yeah, so that'll do for this video, and you'll be seeing a lot more of this bad boy. Stay frosty.